Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to set up 2FA Google Authenticator in ByBit. So let's get started. So the first step you will have to do is to go to ByBit and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side you will see your profile picture. Click on it, and now over here click on security on the left hand side. Now here you will see the option for Google 2FA authentication. Make sure to toggle this on. Now you will receive a verification code on your email. Just paste it over here. Now make sure that you have downloaded the Google Authenticator application. And now over here just tap on continue and copy your key. Now launch your Google Authenticator application. Once launched, on the bottom menu you'll see a plus icon. Click on it and then just click on enter a setup key. And now over here enter your account name as ByBit and paste your key over here and then click on add. And then you'll get a code here. Just copy it and paste it to ByBit, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.